In this quick guide, we'll walk you through setting up a new company profile and customizing your review page to let customers choose their location when leaving a review. To get started, click on New Company Profile to create a profile for a new location. Next, choose the location type. You can select main location if this is your primary business location, or sub-location if this is an additional branch or office. Now, enter the details for your location, including the address and any relevant contact information. Once your sub-location profile is created, link it to your main location by selecting the main location from the drop-down list. To enable customers to select the specific location for leaving their review, go to Customization Options and select Review Page. Choose the Location Layout option to display your sub-locations on the review page. With the location layout, your review page will now display all available sub-locations, allowing customers to choose the location they visited and leave their review easily. Thank you for using Grab Your Reviews to build your reputation. Happy reviewing!